Time rounds 86 to 78. We have Coach Goldwyn Monteverde, Jerry Abadjano, and JD Cagulacan. Coach, it was a neck and neck game, but you guys pulled it off in the end. What can you say?
Every time naman may game na ganito na, we have to battle it out talaga till the end. Makes you proud as a coach, of course, especially coming from, dalawang talo kami. But seeing the heart from the players, the way we started, and even through the imperfections of the game, kumbaga, they were trying to execute at both ends. And for me, talk about like bouncing back, this would be a first step for us.
To Jerry, you had 19 points and 4 rebounds, including 6 3-pointers. Ano masabi mo, parang memorize mo yung mga ring dito sa Philoil?
Siguro nagkataon lang na pumapasok yung tira ko, hinahanap ako ng mga teammates ko. Siguro nag-stick lang kami sa sistema na ginagawa namin, nagkataon lang talaga na na-open, nakikita ko ng mga teammates ko.
JD, you had 12 points on 4-15 shooting, pero you made the biggest shots of the game. Ano masasabi mo na you pulled it off in the end?
Sa last shot na yun, na-feel ko lang yung tiwala ng teammates ko kahit pati yung coaches, nandun yung tiwala. So, kahit ano mangyari, ma-shoot ko man o hindi, alam kong nandun yung tiwala nila sa akin. So, yeah.
And now the floor is open for questions.
Coach, rough stretch coming off back-to-back losses, but ngayon ganda rin ang panalo nyo. How important is this, yung ganitong kind of tests, especially na malapit na yung Final Four?
I guess siguro for sa isang team, na pagka nagdaan ka sa ganung situation like losing 2 games, then having this kind of game na harapin mo, makita natin, that everybody's really fighting hard and trying to overcome whatever comes our way during this game. As I said, gets us ready kung ano man ang harapin namin towards sa end ng season. And syempre, sa party naman ng pag namadaan sa pagsubok, minsan syempre, kahit naman sa buhay, ganun din, di ba, na it teaches us like, whatever circumstance, basta lumabang ka lang, may mangyari pa rin maganda para sa'yo.
For the players, siguro, one of the tough news na narinig natin this week was yung passing, of course, ni Coach Ricky Dandan. And although hindi nyo naabutan na nasa staff si Coach, siguro, how did that affect you guys, of course, during the week, during training, and nasa isip nyo rin ba yun ngayon na naglalaro kayo?
sa part ko, naabutan ko naman si Coach Ricky nung 2020, I think. And yung kapatid niya is nakilala ko rin nung nasa LSGH ako, which is si Coach Blue. So, nung nabalitaan ko yung nangyari sa kanya, so nagulat talaga ako, and di ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko that day, kasi pakita ko sa phone ko na yun nga, nag-passed away na si Coach Ricky, and naging mabuting tao naman din siya sa akin. So, para sa akin, ino-offer ko tong game na to para sa kanya. Especially, I think naging player din ata siya, or naging part din siya ng UP. So, yeah, Coach Ricky, para po sa'yo to, and rest in peace po.
Para sa akin, hindi ko siya nakasama, pero as a part siya ng UPMBT, malaking bagay para sa team namin yun. Yung dagdag motivation yung nangyari sa kanya. And sabi nga naman, yung panalo na to is para talaga sa kanya. And syempre, as a part of UPMBT, malaking bagay siya para sa team.
Coach, nung third quarter, lumaki lamang ng UP. Maganda yung tinakbo nyo from the halftime break, pero nahabol kayo ng FEU. Siguro, from your standpoint, was that na medyo naging kumpiyansa yung players, or adjustment po ba yun ng FEU? And ano lang masasabi nyo dun sa na-pull off nyo nga yung ganitong klaseng panalo?
I guess, siguro kasama naman sa game yung ganyan, yung mag-a-adjust yung kabila, and on our part, syempre, we will really try our best, to to meet or to, overcome ano man binibigay sa amin. Sa akin, I guess, it calls for siguro sa part namin be consistent din sa mga pinapractice namin araw-araw, how to transfer it during game time. And although, syempre, part of it would be like, hanggang sa game pa na, marami ng sitwasyon na pwede mangyari, adjusting from it, and learning from it. So, para sa akin, malaking bagay din for yung growth namin as a team.
To Jerry, bilang leader lang siguro ng team, surprising ba na back-to-back losses na na-absorb nyo pa at this late ng season? And paano mo siguro nilid pa, pinag-gel together yung team after those rough losses? Kasi papasok ng Final Four parang mahirap nang makatanggap ng ganun eh.
Sa team namin, sinabi mo nga na parang hindi kami sanay na ganong talo na back-to-back. So, finesse na talaga namin yung challenge na yun. Kasi yung basketball hindi naman talaga perfect yun eh. Magkakaroon ng ganong challenges talaga. Para sa akin, nilid ko lang yung teammates ko na harapin yung ganong challenges. Na bumounce back and gawa lang kami ng paraan and mag-improve lang everyday sa practice. And sobrang saya naman sa self ko na nangyari ngayon na nag-improve kami, nagtulungan kami sa loob ng court. Yan siguro yung pinaka-key ngayong game.
Wala pa.
Coach, your next game would be against UE on Wednesday. They're fighting for their playoffs lives. They are fighting for their playoff lives. Para ano masabi nyo? How is the team gonna take it? How is the team gonna take UE on Wednesday?
Well, I guess, we faced naman, or each game naman namin, we will always prepare for it the best way that we could. And when it comes to that day na kalaban namin, syempre, we would always demand from ourselves, giving all, kumbaga, at both ends, at the same time, yung anong dapat pa namin gawin. Syempre, after naman ng UE, papasok kami sa Final Four. Nasa isip din namin yan, how to prepare for that. So, siguro, itong 2 games na dumaan sa amin, part na nito na anong ma-learn namin dito going towards that.
To the players, para natin i-take yun, para maging maganda yung finish natin sa elimination round.
Para sa akin siguro, itong panalo is momentum para sa team namin. And papasok ng Final Four, marami pa kami kailangan i-improve. And kailangan namin maging consistent and mag-work na sa team pa. Siguro itong last game, siguro yun yung sabi ni Coach Gold, kukunin namin kung ano man yung makuha namin learnings. And dadali namin yung papasok sa Final Four.
Sobrang saya kasi galing kami sa talo and dami naming usap sa team, kung paano namin ibalik kung yung winning momentum namin. So yun, nag-usap kami na simulan namin this game and gusto namin tapusin ng maganda yung elimination para pagdating ng Final Four nandun yung kumpiyansa na lahat and yung momentum namin nandun. And kailangan lang namin tapusin ng maayos.
Thank you to the Maroons and congratulations once again.
Thank you.